Hey guys, this is Molly from American Dream House, and today I'm going to show you a really cool way to make unique Valentine's Day cards. And you can give these out at school or at work to your family. They're just super fun. Okay, so let's get started. We are going to use our watercolor paper and then some bigger brushes for this part, and we're making a watercolor wash. So what you want to do is take your concentrated watercolor and put it onto a surface like a plastic palette or palette paper or a little plate, and then you're going to take a large paintbrush and you're going to give this a good amount of water because we're going to fill our entire paper up with this wash. So you're going to add a ton of water, and then we're going to just start painting our paper and making sure that there's a lot of variation with the color. So that means some parts are dark, some parts are really light, and you can just drip water directly on this because it's going to kind of look a little bit like tie-dye. It's also fun to play around with different brushes because you'll get different effects. A really fun thing to do is to actually take the dropper and you can drop it directly onto the painting. Watch it spread out, it's really cool. So now we're going to set this sheet aside to dry, and we're going to paint another one in a totally different color. So now we're going to take this one and set it aside to dry and move on to the next step. So once your watercolor is all dry, then we're going to add acrylic paint on top of that. So I'm going to use neon pink and turquoise and black as my colors, and you can obviously do whatever colors you want, so have fun with this. So you just need a couple different paintbrushes, and you're going to just do some dashes. And then you can do dots with the back of your paintbrush like I always do. For the next step, we're going to start cutting up our abstract paintings. So you're going to take your flat cards and trace them onto your paintings. And then you're also going to draw some hearts to cut out. I'm actually just going to trace one cardboard heart that I got at a craft store. And then all you have to do is cut them out. So we're going to stick our hearts onto the flat cards. I actually like to use foam adhesive because it gives them a little 3D effect. So then for the final step, you're going to take all your decorations that you want to use, like pom-poms and gems, and you're just going to decorate the cards. So I like to just glue pom-poms, pearls, rhinestones, just go crazy with this part. So now that we're done decorating all of our cards, you're just gonna write a little cute message on the back and give it to someone that you love. And this person does not have to be a boyfriend or girlfriend. It can be anyone in the world that you love. So like your best friend or your brother, sister, parents, teacher, coworker, whoever. This is a time to just tell people that you love them and that you appreciate them. And what better way to show someone you love them than with a hand-painted Valentine? That's like so thoughtful. So give them to as many people. Well, okay. And what better way to show someone that you love them? And what, one more time. And what better way to show people that you love them? No, wait, one more, this part. One more time, ready? Maybe we lost it.
Yeah, we lost it.